The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is an entry-level smartphone targeted at budget-conscious users seeking 5G connectivity and Samsung's robust software support. With a mix of decent hardware, modest performance, and a long-term software promise, it's a noteworthy contender in its segment. Design and display. The Galaxy A16 5G features a minimalist design with a plastic back and a slim profile. It houses a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors and a peak brightness of 2100 nits, making it suitable for outdoor usage. Performance and software. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The Galaxy A16 delivers smooth performance for basic tasks like web browsing, social media, and light multitasking. The phone ships with Android 14-based One UI 6.1, which is feature-rich and polished. Samsung has committed to 6 years of major OS and security updates, a standout feature in this segment. Cameras. The A16 5G includes a triple camera setup, 50MP primary sensor, produces decent results with good dynamic range in daylight, 5MP ultra-wide lens, useful for landscape shots, though the details are average, 2MP macro sensor, limited utility, offering basic macro shots, low-light performance is passable, with the primary camera capturing colors relatively well, though detail levels drop. Battery and charging, equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. The Galaxy A16 provides a full day of usage under moderate conditions. Charging speeds are modest with a 25W charger, taking approximately 1 hour and 43 minutes for a full charge. Audio and features. Audio quality sees minor improvements with a single bottom-firing speaker capable of reaching 81 decibels. While not immersive, it provides decent clarity at medium volumes. Connectivity features like NFC, Quick Share, and basic Samsung ecosystem integrations are available. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is an attractive option for users seeking affordability. Thank you so much.